Today I am going to show you how to change Figma interface after Figma update. Open your Figma. And here you see a question mark in your right bottom side. Click here, multiple options here. Go back to previous UI. That's it. Now you can see your old Figma interface is here. All your setting is restored like before Figma update. Frame selection, shapes, text, pen tool, all set like before. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to more update. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.